Samsung is set to release its flagship smartphones in the next month. Over the months, many important specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series have been leaked. Now, additional details have emerged about the S24 Ultra, highlighting its durability. According to tipster Ahmed Quater, the S24 Ultra will boast a titanium frame and an upgraded version of Gorilla Glass, making it significantly stronger than its predecessors. However, it seems that this feature may not be available on the base Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. In terms of screen protection, Samsung's upcoming flagship phone will incorporate Gorilla Glass armor, its iteration that surpasses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 found in the S23 Ultra. Notably, reports suggest that the AMOLED 2X display on the S24 Ultra offers a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Additionally, most countries worldwide can expect to see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powering this device. Furthermore, Samsung is rumored to employ an improved vapor chamber cooling system for heat dissipation, keeping the chip 1.9 times cooler compared to its predecessor. Meanwhile, in a development, an unidentified individual known as Arsene Lupin has again leaked information online. This time, the leak consists of 2 screenshots, supposedly originating from the database of a known mobile network operator or retailer. These images reveal a list of memory and color options for the Galaxy S24 series, totaling 28 models. This leak provides evidence that confirms rumors regarding memory and color choices. According to this leak, it appears that Samsung plans to continue offering models with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage in 2024. This decision likely aims to maintain prices and achieve their sales targets. Moreover, it seems that all model variations and storage options in 2024 will be available in 4 colors. However, there are indications of color choices exclusively offered by Samsung itself. The initial launch will include silver, light brown, and green as options for customers purchasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone from Samsung's online store. Furthermore, rumors suggest that the upcoming S24 Ultra will feature a titanium frame of aluminum, an improvement in terms of durability and quality. With these developments in mind, what are your expectations for the Galaxy S24 lineup? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. If you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to connecting with you. Take care.